Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2019. My name is Amy Bergan with Colorado Home Realty, if you don't know who I am. This time of year, of course, people are always setting their goals, looking forward to the new year. And one of the primary goals, of course, is financial goals and what you're looking to achieve this year. So if you're someone who's weighing your options and thinking about, should I invest in the stock market? Should I invest in real estate? I just wanted to put together a quick video today outlining 5 reasons why I believe that real estate investing wins over the stock market. First, leverage. A huge advantage of real estate is the ability to benefit from leverage in purchasing a property with borrowed money at a relatively low interest rate. You can leverage rental properties 4 to 1, sometimes 5 to 1. So for example, if you have $50,000 that you're looking to invest, you can then buy $200,000 to $250,000 in real estate. Let's just talk about the returns and how you can quickly calculate what those returns might look like. So for example, if you're buying a $100,000 property, this is just for easy math. Of course, we know in Denver you can't buy a $100,000 property right now, but to keep the numbers simple, you're buying a $100,000 property and you're putting 20% down, that's $20,000. If it appreciates 3% the next year, you would be earning a 15% return. So the way that you can just quickly calculate that is if you take that $100,000, which is the purchase price, times 0.03, which is 3% for the appreciation, it appreciated $3,000. Divide that by $20,000, which is the down payment that you put, and that equals a 15% return. So that's just a quick way to calculate it. Of course, with the stock market, you're buying your investment with whatever cash you have at hand. Of course, there are options to buy stocks on margin, but that's an extremely risky move. The rates are really high and they're not tax deductible. And of course, you might be forced to sell your stocks at any given time to satisfy a margin call. Second, the tax advantages. So owning real estate comes with a lot of tax advantages. First, you can deduct costs from your taxes, including mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. You can even use your excess losses to reduce other taxes. Let's say you decide to sell the property, maybe you saw significant appreciation over the last few years, as we have in Denver. You might decide it's a good decision for you to sell that property and defer the capital gains tax by investing those proceeds into maybe 1 or 2 or 3 other properties. This is called a 1031 exchange, and it's a great tool for you to manage your investment. And finally, with that, if you do pass away, your heirs do have the ability to sell the property without having to pay any tax on the appreciation during your lifetime. Third, rental property provides income. So huge benefit of real estate is the ability to generate significant income without having to sell your investment. So currently in Denver, I'm advising my clients to follow the 0.7% rule. Basically what that means, for every $100,000 you spend in purchase price, you need to be receiving 0.7% in monthly rent. So for example, you purchase a $450,000 property. You take that $450,000, multiply it by 0.007, which is 0.7%, and that equals $3,150. This is just a quick way that you can calculate how much you should be receiving in monthly rent to cover all of your fees with your mortgage payment, insurance, taxes, etc. So for that example, if you're buying a $450,000 property, you should be receiving at least $3,150 in monthly rent. Not only does it provide good income, but it's also income that keeps pace with inflation. Fourth, people will always need a place to live. Not everybody has the means or desire to purchase a property of their own, and no matter what condition our market's in, there will always be people looking for a place to live. Denver is also a rapidly growing city, so in Colorado last year we saw about 80,000 new people move into our state. Those are all people that are looking for places to live. So of course, when you look at a basic supply and demand economics model, as demand increases, your appreciation and rents also increase. And fifth and finally, real estate is less volatile. So with real estate, almost in every market over a long period of time, and real estate I would consider to be a long-term investment, the market trends up. So even when we have a crash like we experienced in 2008, the market always recovers. You just need to be able to hold your investment through the downturn and wait till the market recovers. But with that as well, no matter what condition the market's in, you have a lot of options with real estate investing. So with the stock market, your two options are basically hold or sell. With real estate, you have the ability to hold the property and continue to rent it. You can sell the property, you can find new tenants, you could increase your rents, you could remodel and fix up the property, refinance, etc. So there's a lot of ways and options that you have in managing your investment properties. So that sums it up. To quickly just kind of recap the 5 reasons I believe why real estate wins over the stock market is leverage, tax advantages, income, people always need a place to live, and finally, the real estate is less volatile. So I love working with investors. It's a passion of mine. So whether you're looking to start and buy your first investment property or you have a portfolio you need help managing, I would love to help you. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions or just want to talk more specifically about your situation. Thanks so much. Bye.